Made a date with myself tonight. No one else, just candlelight. Skipped the party, stayed in bed.
Okay guys, so we had a great time today.
And my dreams are the pilot. When I'm alone, I'm vibrant. Let the phone keep quiet.
So this is Jayesh, and good thing about him is like today he wake up at 7 o'clock in the morning and he started fishing here in this lake.
I woke up around 7, but this guy, like, it took me like around 2 hours to wake him up because I was just continuously calling him.
I can understand that. The sad part is like I woke up at 5, then I go back to sleep at 6. I thought I'll
Maybe you slept at 5.
That's true, bro. There is more. Oh wow, beautiful. Yeah. Finally, so we're gonna cook this and we're gonna eat it, right? I am starving, bro. I'm starving. Oh my god. He wake up at 7 o'clock and he was at this beach at around I think 8, right?
Yeah, around 9, yeah.
Around 9. Okay.
Yeah, I went to market to purchase something and then I came around 9.
Okay, and from 9 till 1 o'clock, he was fishing and he was able to catch one fish.
2.
Just one. Till 1 you caught only one.
But in the end I got more.
At the end we were able to fish 2 fishes. And yeah, so in this whole vlog we will be sharing our experiences and how we are going to cook those 2 fishes. As per my experience, I already have discussed that while cooking the fish, but I don't know whether my audio were captured or not. While cooking fish, I tried using less spices because what we believe in is like to taste real meat, there should be juice in that. So that's why we used very less spices. Of course, lemon is required for fish, right? So I tried putting lemon before and after cooking the fish. So yeah, the experience was great.
Yeah, you cooked really nice. Like the food was amazing. Like it took long time to catch the fish, but yeah, in the end, like how Habib made it, like it was nice to have like fish after a long time. It was really tasty. The spices which he used, like he mixed them like properly and grilled like for around 2 hours.
2.5 hours.
2.5 hours. Yeah.
The reason was like because it was windy and I thought like it's not enough heat to cook the fish.
Yeah.
So that's why I thought like why not to put it for longer time.
Yeah. It took my whole day, but in the end, like I feel like it was totally worth it.
How will you rate out of 10 this experience? Like
Experience was 8 out of 10.
he is having a license here. So if you want to fish here in Canada, you need a license.
Yeah, you need a license.
And also I think you have experience as well. Back in India, you
not
used to
much
fish.
experience, but I used to do like whenever I go out with my friends just for fun. So yeah, just go for it and get a license and watch some tutorials on YouTube like how to do and have proper gadgets. So yeah,
exactly. So it's, I believe it's kind of meditation, you know, like go there, put your chair there and put your stick, fishing a stick and relax.
Yeah.
And be patient that fish will come.
But at least spend 1 or 2 hours there. Don't simply give up. Just be patient.
Like patience here is the key, and of course for life as well, patience is the key. But yeah, if you want to catch fish, you have to be patient. just carry one book or something, keep reading, and whenever you see your stick moving, it means there's something.
In the end, when you see something is like just stuck in your hook, then you will feel like more positive, and you will see, oh yeah, there is a fish, and that will give you another level of excitement.
So yeah, today we were able to catch 2 fishes, and that's great, I think, in this weather.
Yeah.
And to be honest, that area is flooded, but it's still like we were able to catch 2 fishes. I was starving at the end. Even you were starving, right?
Yeah, I was very hungry. Like I didn't had my breakfast.
Yeah.
I just came out of my house. This guy told me like, oh, just come early and we'll go there.
Fishing is something like, it's not like go there and just hook it up. No, you have to be patient. You have to sit there. You have to spend time. And today we spent around 4 hours.
4 hours, yeah.
For everything, and that's like of course, you have to be patient.
I didn't mean to say, maybe I'm out of my mind. Oh, how I wish I liked you.
Definitely we'll be checking weather properly next time.
But I think that weather forecasting is kind of gimmick most of the time, because it was showing good weather today, right?
Yeah, you cannot predict the weather here in Ottawa. It can change any time. So
I think you have to be properly prepared. Exactly.
This was very well planned by Habib. So yeah, but it was good experience. Thank you, brother.
Something like adventurous, crazy stuff.
More crazy stuff.
Crazy, yeah. Okay, guys. So see you in the next one, and yeah, peace.
Yeah, thank you.